everybody, I found an old lampshade in my supply closet and decided to give it a makeover before I got rid of it. I was going to strip it and recover it, but instead I decided to dye it with Artistic Vivations Metallic Concepts. Artistic Vivations Metallic Concepts were invented by my friend Michelle Nicole, who is the inventor of Unicorn Spit, and you can use them for everything. And today we're dyeing a lampshade with them. This was seriously easy and turned out to be the perfect way to upstyle an old discolored lampshade. Are you ready? Let's make over this lampshade. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used in this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. And if you want some more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you real soon. Bye!